friends, what's up? Welcome to today's video, and if you are new, welcome. I hope you subscribe and stick around. Anyways, you guys, today we are going to be doing another review on the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. This particular one is the Armed and Gorgeous palette. It looks like this, very fall, very warm tone. And I know you guys are like, what? It's summer, Sheena. But if you guys seen the first review that I did, I think I used the Dark Magic palette. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I did not like that palette. I tried. So I passed it along to a friend. And I decided that I wanted to give another one of the palettes a try. The shadows are just right up my alley, so beautiful. Like I said, very fall, but today it is very rainy and gloomy, and you might be able to hear some of the rain, so I apologize. Anyways, you guys, let's get into the video. So the first shade in this palette I'm going to be going into is the shade Access, and I'm just going to go ahead and take that right into the crease.
This empty town, we're searching for the lost and found, but you don't care. You're unaware, keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare. Just stare, cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything.
Alright, so I will say off rip, this shadow blended out really nicely, really easily. Now it's going to be all about how these shadows layer. So the next shade I'm going to go into is Agent. I'm going to use that same brush, and I'm just going to start blending that into the crease right into that yellow. Alright, so far so good. Now we're going to go into Smooth Criminal. I'm going to focus that more on the outer part here.
Because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me.
As I'm going to use some of my NYX eyeshadow base to, I guess we can say, cut the crease. Now we're going to go into the shade Top Secret, and we're going to do that on half of the lid. I'm just pressing that on the lid, and it will not take to this one spot on my lid. Go into Coin now and take that on the front part of the lid. guys, and then I'm going to go into brow, and I'm going to take that on the outer part of my lid here. Alright, you guys, I'm going to keep working with this. I'm going to finish the other eye and the face, and I will be right back. Alright, you guys, so this is the completed look. The look turned out really pretty, but I will say, like, it is still very patchy on the outer corner. Let me zoom in. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's real patchy right in here. And I think that this palette is kind of the type of palette where you shouldn't set your eyelids down. You need to just prep your eyelids and then blend in with the shadows using a tapping motion and then lightly blending out the edges. So this palette wasn't a total fail like the other one. The other one just would not work whether I set my eyelids or I didn't. So I am going to give this another shot without setting my eyelids, but I think with this being more of a warm tone palette versus a cool tone palette, the warm tone shades are much easier to work with. If you guys are wondering what is on my lips, I did put on my Morphe liquid lipstick in True Story, and you guys know I own another one. I only own 2 of these because some of the other colors just did not work out. They were like very patchy on the lips. So I'm not going to completely X this palette out. Like I said, I do like the look and I am going to give it another chance. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit your bell notification so you're not missing out on any more videos here with me. Also, you guys, don't forget to check out our second channel, which is Shanae's Life. Head over there, subscribe, show us some love. And hey! You guys, as always, don't forget to put a smile on your face because it is truly the best makeup you can wear. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.